Welcome to the SFT Wednesday evening update. This is Morris. Let's look at the leveraged silver ETF USLV. Now, what's going on here with the chart is very interesting. And what I'm noting here, all the gapping, and gapping has been one of the hallmarks of this bull move. But you get a little bit concerned when it starts gapping every few days after it's already been moving up for a while. Note the price point back here. Leveraged, yes, but nearly a double on this leveraged silver since the 1st of July. Well, we may be looking at a bull flag, and a bull flag, well, this would be the pole. So just let's do a rough look at where the pole would go. It'd be about like this, and it would pull it right back into the area of this area of support. That wouldn't be all that uncommon and certainly could give opportunity to reload on the long side of the silver market. Of course, we've had a nice winter yet again trading the dust. I'm using the nugget chart. This is the one where we made the money, got into some chop volatility, and what we're looking at right now, you just see this looks a little bit on the toppy side without a doubt. You've got a potential little inverse head and shoulder pattern here. I've been talking about the area of a bounce that could see this market come pretty much right up to this 200-minute moving average, so the blue line. That's a fairly substantial line in the sand. You can also see noise support all through here. This is an area of the market that it had touched before and ultimately, well, most recently failed. So it overcame it. Inverse head and shoulder pattern here. We've got a little inverse head and shoulder pattern potentially taking shape, and that would likely give us this move right back up here. The key here is if that happens, what happens from there? I will say this. On the investor side of this market, we are in correction, and I am very bullish on this market in general. I see gold going a lot higher, but in this trading service, we have no home team. Our proprietary model has had us in dust. We've now taken solid profits off of the table. A full 50% now of the position. We're down to a much smaller position. And frankly, we could go either way with this market, and that's almost always the case as we trade nugget dust. We are going to go where the proprietary model says to go. So at this point, we're looking for pretty much anything. We remain in dust, but if the market reverses, we will go ahead likely get a new signal and give you trade instructions. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.